take the Trackhawk, about to get rewrapped. So with the calipers, I'm confused. I'm telling you, that chameleon, man, people can't handle it. This might blow the speakers. Let's see what we got. 4:50 a.m. 6:50 on the East Coast. We up, man, and at 'em. You know what I mean? Look at this. 4 in the morning, we wearing jerseys out here, man. The shoelaces hanging. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing it, man. We about to take the Trackhawk, about to get rewrapped. I think it's been, what, about 4 or 5 months?
Yeah.
It's gonna look, you know, I'm gonna let it be a surprise, man. I ain't gonna give it away. I don't know, I might keep it how it's gonna be. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. So we're going to reflection detail, drive about 3.5, 4 hours, keeping the car game going, you know, with the best looking cars. Right? Ain't nobody yet I've seen in the car industry doing wraps like reflections. It's just not. I haven't seen it, you know what I mean? I ain't seen no cars complete, but whoever take theirs to reflection detail. So shout out to them, and we'll show y'all the footage when we get there. Yay! Yeah, easy drive down here. Didn't nobody try to race. You know what I mean? It was all right. Cruise down
yeah,
here.
you were chilling.
Chilling.
Yeah.
At 90, you know what I mean?
yeah.
You, how you doing? What's up with it, baby?
What's up, bro?
I don't know if it's possible. I know you gonna make it possible. So I want these gold.
Okay.
The emblems. We go powder coat the wheels gold, shiny gold.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Make it happen.
So with the calipers, I'm confused. Like, should we do them gold as well?
I mean, I'd probably go with a different color just so it pops out more.
Right,
just because so much gold, it's all gonna blend in a lot.
I'll just go gold.
You want to go gold all
Yeah,
of it? All right, bet. Let's do it all gold.
Let's go gold. Probably.
Gold on
then
gold.
what about the Trackhawk? What could we put a strip the same as the wrap?
I was gonna say that we can run the script the same as the wrap on colorful stuff, just so it flows.
Yeah. So I want to swap these back the way they should be. Trackhawk over there, this, and I wanted that gold.
You want that one?
Can we do this gold?
So I can do it in gold. I can give you all the outline and everything. Just the gold won't, it won't stick to those little tiny eyes right there. But I can definitely give it to you all around and letters and all that for sure.
Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't put a supercharger over there up. You got those?
I don't got them with. They're in my Trackhawk. What were you guys gonna do? Because you know he custom made these, right?
We can talk to Jimmy. We'll get them open back up, and then we'll replace that.
Okay.
We'll swap out the color on there.
So the thing I don't like about the Trackhawk lights, they don't show in the day, like the Durango and the Camaro.
Yeah.
Those motherfuckers hit, like, we don't even turn them on because they don't show in the daytime. I don't know if they have a different size.
Yeah.
Because it's just like they thicker on the Durango and the Camaro was.
I'll talk with Jimmy and then see what we can do with that. See what we can do to make it pop out more.
I don't know if they got the lights in, the Trackhawk SRT lights, because he said that, on the grill or whatever. Yeah, he said that they were like back ordered last time we checked.
And that was what, 4 or 5 months ago.
The guy that he gets them from is in the military. He got deployed.
Oh yeah?
I think that's one of his suppliers.
Oh.
Yeah, so because he was telling me, he's like, dude, he's like, so hard to get signs right now. I'm like, dang.
Man.
So you can't even get the SRT?
I'm sure he can. I'm sure he has other suppliers for it, but I know one of them, he got deployed and kind of slowed him down a little bit.
Yeah. Take out the tire stickers. Because I'm not going to probably have tire stickers. So these are temporary. You can just yank them off.
Oh yeah, we'll take care of it for sure.
Yeah.
Another one of one coming out.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, that chameleon, man, people can't handle it.
Head turning.
They like, so older people, like, is this the paint? That's the main question.
Oh,
Is this the
first
paint?
question.
Right, that's the first question. Is this a paint? And I'd be like, no, it's a wrap. And a lot of old people my age or older be like, what's a wrap? I was like,
Let me teach you a thing or
exactly,
two about it.
exactly. That car, man, is special. I'll probably keep that forever.
Oh God, man, let's make this one special too, for
Yeah.
sure, bro.
Especially, so what I'm gonna do with the Camaro, I'm gonna change the wheels gold.
Okay.
And I want to see how if we can figure out a way to have that wing go.
Okay.
It's like plastic.
Yeah, it's plastic, so we
Yeah.
would have to get some other type material or something. I think they have metal ones, wings. I gotta check
Depends on
on.
what kind of plastic
Yeah, I was
it
gonna
is.
say, depends on the
Oh,
plastic.
okay.
It could sometimes could stick on it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We just have to run the test on it, and then I'll let you know if it's
oh,
good or not.
okay. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Now, you guys using a different like wrap than the Camaro, like, or is it still gonna be a bitch to?
No, it's still gonna be the same.
Oh,
It's-
Oh, that's very.
When I would tell
yeah,
him,
this
he's
is
like,
round two. You
gotta be
oh no! Look at
Hey,
it.
hey, you experienced that and that. That's how he said with his Trackhawk.
Yeah.
They know how to put the wide body on that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
It's
nothing
worth
else.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely
It's
worth it.
nothing else. When we go, we take them to the car meets and all
They
that.
just don't
like,
know. Yeah.
Who did it? Who did it? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's mad promotion.
gonna
And then,
keep
you
that
know, on the
for you.
Camaro, I got the tent.
Yeah, I
to match.
seen that. That flow's so sick. I love
It's
that.
like people think I got it at the same time. It just, I mean, where, you know, where it got the gold streaks, and
Yeah.
it do that too, right
like
along
that.
with it. Yeah. So this,
You
I
like-
want to do this like it with the tent, but they say, what is it, the back window or something? Already
Oh, on this,
tinted.
yeah. So yeah, it's factory tinted on the
So I
back
would have to
windows.
get a whole new window, but I do it to
Yeah,
have it that.
yeah.
Oh,
tint
dude,
as
it'd be
well.
so crazy on
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
It's way easier to see out of that than
You can see
these.
clear and everything through it.
Well, it's like psychedelic, but when I wear shades, it's normal. It's
Oh.
weird. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like
that's-
holographic or some shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Way easier. It's like almost clear. Those wraps getting hot right there. Wendy, I think y'all did the first one, huh? The white to the.
Yeah.
Didn't you guys do that one first?
So you got
And so
two
you
tins,
guys made that?
everything.
Is that right?
Everything, yeah.
Got it ported,
They're
air
sealed.
ported.
No, these
Yeah.
are sealed, yeah.
Damn. He had to hand make that?
Just about. Everything is handmade, designed in-house and everything.
And that's focal?
No, these are the Memphis.
Oh, Memphis. I
Yeah.
haven't heard of Memphis.
And then these are the DB drive amps.
Oh, the DB. Look at that.
Yeah. Like I said, we couldn't find something.
Damn, this is one with the suicide doors. They're going all out with
Oh,
this
yeah,
one,
this
bro.
been
This
there a
is
minute, huh?
crazy.
TVs in the back.
Yeah.
Big old monitors.
I got you.
Uh-oh. This might blow the speakers. You got the bass up?
Took about a week or two.
What?
Yeah.
I thought you was about to say at least 2 months, man. Come on.
Yeah. It took
To
about a week or
build
two.
all
Yeah.
that shit and all that?
Yeah. So
Dang.
the guy that we have, he's been doing this for since he was 15.
But do
He's in
he
his
get
40s.
assistance or something?
What's that?
he
Yeah.
get-
He has.
Oh, that's
Sometimes he
good.
has somebody that comes
yeah,
in.
yeah. Fact
Hey.
that Genesis didn't have assistance.
Oh, all right.
Well,
Yeah.
cause you, bro, that charger took what, 5-6 months?
Yeah, I mean from when you dropped it off.
Well.
The system, he had to work on it consistently every day for like a month and a half.
He
Exactly.
designs the faces and everything.
Oh,
and
y'all go kill
does
it
the
with
tuning and
that.
everything,
Yeah.
Cause that's, you know, when I promote people advertise, that's always the worry I have now. Like with Jay at Genesis, what? Like, okay, all these people coming, but now they looking at me like, oh, you said he was good, or he was, you know what I mean? Like most average people don't have time to wait a month or a few weeks. You know, that's the only car, most people. I used to be in and out in 4 hours when I used to get music back in the day.
Yeah.
And I'm talking about that's you can hear a mile away, like in 4. So, you know, to us, and me, I wasn't used to leaving my car a week or month, or, you know what I mean? But now I am, because I got
Got that hood, man.
I thought we ain't came in here. Yeah, we came in, didn't we?
Nah, this is new.
Oh, is that
Yeah,
right?
we just got this.
Oh, okay, yeah. You know, like every place got their recommendation.
Yeah.
Like you should go with this system we
I got
mess
you.
with.
So right now we have 3. Top, middle, bottom.
Oh, okay.
So top obviously is going to be JL.
Right,
And then
okay.
middle and bottom, we have DB Drive and Kicker.
Oh, okay.
So, because Kicker offers high-end quality, good stuff, but also affordable stuff. That's not
right.
the worst,
Exactly.
but it'll get the job done.
Yeah, that's
Same
good.
thing with DB Drive. DB Drive actually offers 4 different lines. They offer top, middle, bottom, and marine.
Oh, okay.
So,
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.